welcome back to another use of family vlogs. In today's video I'll be doing what's inside part number 3, and guys, if you have not watched the part 2 and 1, so guys, go and search now and watch now. So I'm with my friend Afnan and my brother Yunus. So in today's video I'll be breaking that HP printer. So I'll show you what's inside it. So let's begin. The printer I was talking about. See, as you can see, it's so good, brand new. My just friend gave me, and so let's break it. And we just changed the place from there to here. So let's try to break this one. Because Hafsan is your time. Let's see how much power you have. Hit as hard you can on the wall.
Wall?
Yeah. Your wish. Down on wall. Oh. That was really a powerful shot, bro. Which monitor you're using? Now it's my champion turn. Let's see how much hard I can throw and break. It's really hard.
Start.
So it's my turn now. No, see, I break it. Yes, I can use this for my small cars. Let's now begin. Afnan.
Yeah.
Again, it's your turn.
Right.
Yeah, now it's Afnan's turn. So let's see how much hard he can throw and break it.
I'm going to throw on the wall.
Oh, now it's... Wow. So guys, these are the part we breaked in. See, from inside it's so beautiful. See this, all chips and all.
The ink is leaking.
Where is that? Yeah, here, HP printer. Wow. Now it's Yunus' turn, my brother. So let's see how hard he can throw. Brother, let's see. Now it's back my turn.
One, start.
So guys, my brother thought it was not a powerful shot. So let's check my turn. So guys, this is a chip we got from inside of it. So now it's again Afnan's turn. See, we found one thing. See, this is the printing area inside of it. There's the ink. So see, whenever you pull this wire, yes, you can see it's printing. It's like typing on it, and it's so fast done.
So here is a motor inside, you can see.
Yeah, that's the motor using. So now it's your turn. Break it. So yeah guys, now it's my brother's turn, and after this my turn, then we'll finish. Whether it breaks or not, it's because video is getting so long. Wow, that's a cool shot. See guys, see, my brother just finger cut because of that printer. Now I'll kill that printer. Guys, this is the last final turn. Let's see how much power I have. So guys, this is all the part we break. Sorry if we could not break all of this stuff because it's really hard. Wow, I got the strip out. And that much. Yeah guys. So guys, it was really fun to play with my friend Afnan. So that much for today. I hope you do enjoy my video. If you do, please give it a huge thumbs up and please share my video to all of your contact. Now my friend Afnan also have a channel, so he will tell the channel name.
My channel's name is Afdax02.
Afdax02, guys. Please go and subscribe his channel Afdax02. I will write the name and you can then go and search and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Peace.